Prefabricated substations integrate electrical equipment into modular enclosures, factory assembled for rapid on-site grid connection. CHINT's prefabricated substations offer versatile adaptability and outstanding performance, delivering cost-effective and eco-friendly power solutions. With a single unit capacity of up to 12.5 MVA, it reduces total equipment and supporting facilities, significantly lowering overall investment costs. Core parts are made using CHINT proprietary products, ensuring supply chain stability and reliable performance for customers. From design approval to shipment, the delivery cycle is only 2 to 3 months, meeting urgent project timelines. Modular design and factory assembly enable on-site connection in as fast as 48 hours, dramatically shortening construction periods and minimizing safety risks. All products are certified through third-party type tests, ensuring quality recognized by authoritative institutions. Key components undergo force and thermal simulation, enhancing reliability and extending equipment lifespan. Operates effectively in extreme environments. Enclosure corrosion resistance rated C5. Protection level up to IP55. Available in containerized, microclad or semi-enclosed structures, skid-mounted, dual or triple winding transformer configurations cater to diverse needs. Use eco-friendly materials and incorporate innovative technologies, offering customers sustainable and efficient energy solutions. Smartly equipped for the future, power wherever you need. CHINT prefabricated substations empower the power industry to advance toward a greener future.